Eating it each everyone. Oh my gosh, I thought it's still smoking, freshly cooked. See that? Oh my gosh. Open your mouth. Love it? Love it. Yumminess. Oh my god. Hallelujah. Still smoking, see that? Shrimp, want some shrimp? Oh gosh, sorry, my bad. Do not waste food. Okay? It's hard to use chopstick.